What can I do to be happy? What can you do to be happy?
Number one, you have to own your own happiness. Your kids are not going to make you happy. Your spouse is not going to make you happy. A big house is not going to make you happy. Own your own happiness and be responsible for doing those things that bring joy into your own heart, independently of life and people and money and all of that stuff.
Right.
It doesn't necessarily give you a happiness. You have to take responsibility of that peace and that joy that lives inside of your heart and not inside of your stuff. The second thing that I think people need to do is challenge their own story, because people torment themselves by how they see their life. Challenge your own story. Change the way you talk to yourself about who you are and what happened to you and what you're going to do in your life. You wrote the script. Change the story. Third thing that I think is very important is to enjoy the journey, not the destination. A lot of us delay our happiness. When I get to this level, when I get my degree, when I get the kids, when I get married, I'm going to be happy. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the whole step, the whole process. Every day that you get up to strive for whatever it is you're after. You know, I'm a goal-oriented guy.
Yeah, absolutely.
But you don't celebrate when you get to the finish line. Celebrate all along the way. Celebrate all along the way.
Yeah, man. Jadi ternyata ada 3 hal. Hal pertama adalah own your happiness. Memiliki, bertanggung jawab atas kebahagiaan diri sendiri. Jadi kebahagiaan kita bukan tergantung kepada sitkon eksternal, kebahagiaan kita bukan tergantung kepada orang lain, tapi kebahagiaan kita tergantung kepada diri sendiri. Oke? So, bertanggung jawab atas kebahagiaan dirimu. Hal kedua adalah change your story. Oke? Berarti ubah apa yang Anda berkata kepada diri sendiri. Karena dunia yang kita lihat sekarang, perasaan yang kita miliki sekarang, semua adalah akibat dari apa yang kita berkata kepada diri sendiri loh. Jadi, kalau Anda ubah skripnya, kalau Anda ubah kata-katanya, otomatis cara memandangnya berbeda. So, change the script that you say to yourself. Dan ketiga adalah nikmati perjalanan. Kemarin saya lihat di restoran ada seorang ayah ya lagi kasih makan ke anaknya dan anaknya nangis terus, oke? Tapi ayahnya sabar banget. Kenapa? Dia tahu bahwa momen ini tidak akan terulang lagi. Momen ini tidak akan terulang lagi. Jadi walaupun ia sesebel-sebelnya, dia masih menikmati karena dia tahu inilah adalah bagian dari perjalanan saya membesarkan anak. Dan momen ini tidak akan terulang lagi. Dan dia bersyukur atas kesempatan itu. Tuh, okay? Enjoy the journey. Good luck and be happy.